Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Alright, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup for this strategy. So for you to set this strategy up, you are going to first of all click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you search for your fractals. Alright, the fractal doesn't have much function, but I'll be explaining what it is in the chart, right? So you click on the main window plus icon, you search for your fractals. You can use the default setting for that. All right, after that you click on done. Then you are going to have this small dot here on your main chart, right? Now the next indicator we have here is the stochastic oscillator. So you click on the main window plus icon again, you search for your stochastic oscillator, right? So these are the properties for the stochastic oscillator. The K period is 60, D period is 1, slowing is 1, the price field is close, the method is exponential, right? The level, you are going to set it to 15 and 85. The color for the star, you make it red 1 pixel, and then you click on done. Now the next thing we have here is the time frame, which you are going to leave it on all time frame. Now under the style, we have the main and the signal. All right, so for the main, you make the color gray, the color blue, you make it 3 pixel. The signal, you make it color red, you make it 3 pixel. After that you click on done, right? Now the next indicator we have here is the moving average. All right, so you are going to be clicking on the indicator in the 1 plus icon here in order to add the moving average under the stochastic oscillator, right? So you search for your moving average after clicking on the indicator window 1, right? Now these are the properties for the moving average. The period, you make it 10, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now under the style, you make the color purple, 3 pixel, you click on done. Alright, so once you have set everything correctly as I've explained, you are going to have a screen like this one here, right? Now this is how the strategy work. It's a very simple strategy to understand, right? Now once you see that this purple line has gotten to the overbought level, just like you are seeing here on the chart, what you have to do is to wait for the red line here to start crossing below the purple line. All right, so once you have seen that it is crossing below the purple line, that is the condition for you to go in for or sell. All right, so now you can see that on the main chart here, you can see price was creating a higher high structure. All right, now what you have to do before you take an entry is that you want to mark the most recent structure you see in the market before the crossing happen, right? So for example, you can see this is the most recent structure the market made before this indicator crosses. All right, so once you get this crossing below, you want to wait for price to break and close below this structure. All right, so once it breaks and close, all right, that's when you go in for your entry. All right, and in a case where you miss the entry, all right, you miss the entry, maybe you close your chart and then you came back, you saw that price has already crossed, what you should do is that you set a sell limit order above, all right, above the most recent structure, and then you wait for price to come back into it and then trigger it. All right, so that's how I got this entry. All right, so I really missed the entry, so I placed a sell limit order and then price got back here and trigger it. All right, and then it started moving down towards the moving towards the downside. All right, so that's how you go about the entry using this strategy. Okay, so first of all, let me go again. You wait for this purple line to get to the overbought level, which is our 85 level here, and then next what you have to do again is to wait for the red line here to cross below the purple line. All right, so once you see the crossing, you are going to wait for the most recent structure to be broken below. All right, wait for the most recent structure for price to break below the most recent structure, which is around this area here. Right, so once price broke and closed below it, you go in immediately and you sell, and then your stop loss is going to be above this area here. All right, so that's how the strategy work. All right, that's how you are to take entry using the strategy. Okay, and then if you want to exit the market, you use this red line here. All right, you wait for it to get to the 15 level here. All right, so once you see that it has started touching the 15 level, then you exit the market. All right, you exit the market and then you look for the next opportunity to present itself. All right, so whenever you are trading with this strategy, make sure you are in line with the trend of the market. All right, you go to the higher time frame using the 30 minutes or the 1 hour or the 4 hours time frame to do your analysis. All right, so once you see that you are in the direction of the trend, maybe you are in a downtrend, like in this market now I'm in a downtrend, so I used the direction of the overall market to take entry. All right, so all the entry I'll be taking with this strategy right now is going to be a sell trade, right, following the overall trend of the market. All right, so make sure you are in line with the trend of the market. You go to the 4 hours time frame, you analyze the market. Once you have confirmed that the overall trend of the market is a downtrend, you start looking for your sell entry on the 5-minute time frame or the 15-minute time frame. All right, whichever time frame that is conducive for you to take entry and is good for your risk management, then you start taking your entry from that time frame using this strategy. Okay, so that's how I trade using this strategy. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to make sure you back test it. All right, confirm that it's working for you perfectly fine before you deposit money and start trading with your hard-earned money. Okay, or you demo trade it for like a week or two to confirm if the strategy really work before you start trading or taking entry with it. Okay, so that's it, guys. For those of you who have not yet joined the Telegram channel, the door is still open. All right, like I earlier said in my previous videos, the VIP trading community is going to be free for everyone starting from the year 2026. All right, I won't be charging you anymore. All right, everything is going to be free. All right, so make sure to join the family. The condition and all the instructions you need to follow before joining the community is already stated in my free Telegram channel. Okay, so if you want to join, you check the description of this video. You are going to see the link to my Telegram there. All right, click on it to join. And if you are watching from TikTok, you check my bio. You are going to see the link to join my Telegram channel there. All right, so make sure to join the family so that you don't miss out. Okay, so that's it, guys.